What up, YouTube? It's your boy Gamer King, aka Conquer98, aka NASCAR42, bringing you a Madden Mobile pack opening. And I got some news for you. Bundle, be a bundle coming. Hopefully a bundle. I'm not sure, but if so, well, it should. But I don't know. It'll be the next. I'll talk about it. Right, it's getting to this 44K pack opening, and then we start doing some sets with it, and yeah, from there on we'll see what happens. We'll see if we can pull some elites, see if we can get some elites. So as I'm talking, if we can get a whole bunch of views on this video, like if we can get about 30 views on this video, I'll do the next promo that comes out. I will do it, buy it. If we get about 28 views on this video. No, I'm not going to do 30 or 28. I'm going to keep it at 25, but this could be a goal right now. If we can get it, in the next 2 to 3 days, then I will do the bundle, that day, or the day when we hit 25. Either that, or I'll just open it any other time. Another time. See what we get. Terrence Newman. Let's see his speed. And 92 speed. Okay. 80. Okay. 29K left to spend. I don't like how the pro packs so much. But it's better than 2K15 packs, tell you that. Update team. Pernell McPhee. Updating team now. So when I see update team, I know it's going to be an elite. Oops, sorry about that. I didn't mean to point it down, but it doesn't matter. See what we get. Browning, Brandon Marshall, Garrett Hartley, J.R. Sweezy, and then Clint Bowling. Okay, 14K, 2 more packs. 2 more packs, guys. See what we can get. And then we'll do some sets. Maybe do another pack. Byron Maxwell, Tyler Gaffney, Kealonha Pillard, Arthur Brown, and Austin Lane. Oh, we don't got enough? How long is he? I'm not gonna sell bronze. I could sell bronze. A bronze or something. We don't have enough still. Sell one. Come on, I need one more. Okay, we're good. Wait. Okay, let's go. Last pack right now, and then we can do the sets, and then we can see if we can open more packs. Jim Leonhard, Leon Hard, I don't even know. And Rob Burn Onas, whatever his name. Robert Golden. And the gold player is Brandon Lloyd. His kick power, let's just do kick power. 91 kick power, 91 awareness. Brandon Lloyd. Mr. Raymond, I didn't get to say his, like the rest of his name. Yeah, that bundle or the next promo, hopefully that comes out. I can't buy it anything. I don't want to buy no pro packs with this. I gotta have 2,000. I have 2,200 points, 2.2 points. Okay, worth of points and points. I mean, so yeah. Really sets. Let's get into it. The sets. We don't have enough. I know the amount we're not gonna have enough for. We're not gonna have enough for all this. So we're only gonna be having enough for the 10 trophy one, like one of each or a little one of each. Because see, we already have like one left. 100k is not enough to do that. Like we need to get good. I know we have good luck. Elite. Silver. It's why they reveal all. Okay, guys, I got 2 golds out of that. That's good. But I was looking for more than this. All these bronze trophies. It's a bit horrible. I'm getting no good luck though. No good luck lately. I'll just go refill all. See what we can get. I'm just gonna close my eyes. I'm just not gonna refill. I'm gonna open 1, 2 on each side, and refill the rest. 1 gold. Okay, guys, we got 1 gold. We don't have enough for another. We don't got all a whole bunch. We don't have enough gold to do the large quick sale. Hopefully we get lucky and pull some. Hopefully we get lucky and pull something. That was so bad. This was so bad. Trophy packs. Dang, I had 500k. That's wrong. But let's see. My percentage going down now. Let's go on faster. What's this? Well, whatever. It's not working. Let's see if I don't know. I didn't get to even check. I don't think so. No, we don't. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have enough for a gold trophy. So that is great. It's great. This is really great. You don't get nothing when you do that. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have enough. I think because I wanted to warn the pack up. Because usually I do that and then I get 20 or 10k, something like that. Which is like a little higher. A little bit better higher. Third, I don't know what highest it is, but it's a good. So if I do it to that small quick sale, and then do the large quick sale, I'll probably make it something good. Got that in here. Come on, yay! I'm not gonna look. Oh my gosh, you know what they do to me, guys? They give me bad coins. Is it here from the thing? It's no, you know it's not good. You need a ding. Hey. Well, guys. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget that. Don't forget about it. That we will be what we will be doing. I don't know, but we may be doing. Just let me know. If you do like, I don't know. The Pro Pack bundle's not gonna be good. I may just wait. But the fans, I'll see as I'm doing the outro. See how fast this thing sells. Outro of the video. See how things this elite trophy sells before the video ends. So, guys, don't forget. Let's get 25 views. If we get 25 views in 2 or 3 days, I will do the next promo. I'll do the next promo. So in the next promo, and if not, I'll do it another time. So maybe I should do one of these. I don't know. Yeah, guys, let me do 1 or 2 of these, because those things was way bad. They were horrible. It was just that was horrible. My pack luck and everything else was horrible. I should have just did it safe. I played it safe, kept all that money, everything. Let's get you know what you do about this amount of some pro packs, I guess. So we do about like 3. We'll do 3 of these, and then we'll stop. And this is what happened, guys. I really did like cheat this thing out. I bought some 20 already, but then I took it off. So now they gave me my account and gave me $20 back. I called them, and it's easy, bro. If y'all buy something, just buy something, bro. All y'all gotta do is buy something. Y'all just cancel it and keep buying it back and cancel it. Yeah, but you gotta do it like another day, like 2 days later. You gotta do it though. Like 2 or 3 days later. This already happened to me though. So I got to call it, and now I did it again, like now. So I got the $20 back. So just to let y'all know that's why I got this. I don't know. I may be able to do another one, and y'all want me to. Y'all really do this, like, if y'all really get this the view goal, then I may do that. If y'all get higher than a view goal. Cause I'm not good. I don't know. 2 or 3 days I guess it's good. It's fine. Maybe not 25 views in that days. Cause how about I'll do 1 more after 1 more. Let's do 5. How about if we get to 15 views in 2 days. 3 days. I have to think about 3 days, but. Then I'll do it. Then I'll do that. So yeah, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't hit that like button. This has been a short video though, shorter than I expected. Oh, it's sold. See, it's like that. Actually, let's finish this stuff up. Let me just finish this up. I didn't get nothing good, really. Nothing at all. I started doing these more just because I have getting quick sale. I got 1K quick sale, and I got a whole bunch of other quick sale. See, 100 quick sale coins, 100 coins. $100 coins again. That helped towards, I guess, 6,000. That means I have 14K. Oh yeah, I think so now. That's not what it means. Well, actually, yeah, it is me. I have 14K. But actually, we have 13K. I opened the pack. You know, I always like open packs for you guys. I always like open the packs for you guys. Just for this, just for Madden Mobile though. And that's it, really. So thanks for guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, for more better videos. And yeah. So guys, thanks for watching.